Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. So today I am going to start the numerical of chapter center of mass. So let us now start with the first numerical problem. Find the center of mass of carbon dioxide molecule. Okay, carbon dioxide means CO of bond length D, means distance between carbon and oxygen is D. So this one is carbon molecule and this is oxygen molecule. Okay, and distance between carbon and oxygen molecule is D. Here we have to find the center of mass of this molecule. Suppose first we assign the origin. Okay, so this is the axis which passes through at point O. Let us suppose the axis passes through point O. So this point may be taken as origin. Okay, and suppose the center of mass is at point P, whose distance from origin is x. So we have to find this distance x because it is the distance of center of mass of this molecule. Okay, so as we know that x equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 upon m1 plus m2. Here m1 is the mass of carbon. As we know that the mass of carbon is 12 gram. So here x is the distance of carbon atom from origin. So carbon atom lies over this axis. It means its distance from axis is 0. Okay. Then mass of oxygen atom. So as we know that mass of oxygen is 16 gram. And its distance from this origin O is D. Okay. Upon total mass means mass of carbon 12 plus mass of oxygen 16. Okay, so 12 into 0 0 plus 16 D upon 28. Okay, so 16 D upon 28. So 4 the 16, 4 7 the 28. It means x equal to 4 upon 7 of D. Okay, so its center of mass from origin is 4 by 7 of D. Let us now see question number 2. The two masses of 0.8 kg and 1.2 kg are lying in xy plane at the location whose coordinates are 1, -2 and -3, 4 respectively. We have to find the center of mass of the system. So first we note the given value. M1 equal 0.8 kg, M2 equal 1.2 kg, X1 equal 1 and Y1 equal -2. Okay, now here X2 equal -3 and Y2 equal 4. Okay, so as we know that the x coordinate of center of mass is given by m1 x1 plus m2 x2 upon m1 plus m2. So now substitute the value 0.8 into x1 1 plus value of mass m2 is 1.2 and value of x3 is -3, right, upon 0.8 plus 1.2. So on solving we get 0.8, then plus minus 12 3 36 means 3.6 upon 2.0. Okay, now we subtract this, so we get minus 2.8 upon 2. So x coordinate of center of mass is minus 1.4. Okay, so x equal to minus 1.4. It is the x coordinate of center of mass. Similarly, we can find y. So y coordinate of center of mass is m1 y1 plus m2 y2 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, Now substitute this value. To 0.8 into y1 minus 2 plus m2 1.2 into y2 4 upon m1 0.8 plus m2 1.2. Okay, so 8 2 जा 16 means minus 1.6 plus 12 4 जा 48 means 4.8 upon 2.0. Okay, when we solve this, then we get 3.2 upon 2.0, then 0.2 point cancel, then we get 1.6. Okay, so hence center of mass of system are minus 1.4 comma 1.6. Now note the question number 3. 3 particles of masses 0.2 kg, 0.3 kg and 0.4 kg are situated at the vertices A, B, C of right angle triangle ABC. Okay, with angle A equal to 90 degree, AB equal 2 centimeter along x-axis and BC equal 2.5 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the distance of center of mass. So for finding the distance of center of mass, first we have to find the coordinate of center of mass. Then after we can find distance of center of mass. Okay, so now let us figure. So this is the xy plane and this one is origin. Okay, so 3 particles of masses 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 are situated at the vertices of triangle ABC, right angle ABC. Okay, angle A is 90 degree, AB equal 2 centimeter along x-axis. Suppose this distance is 2 centimeter. Okay, this point is B and one vertex lies over this origin A. Okay, and another point on y-axis is C. So this is the right angle triangle ABC. Okay, this angle is 90 degree and BC is given, this distance BC is given 2.5 centimeter. So first we find this distance AO by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so OC equal under root BC square minus AB square, right? The value of BC is 2.5 square 6.25 minus 2 square means 4. So answer 2.25 means 1.5 centimeter. Okay, it means this distance is 1.5 centimeter. Now first we write its coordinate. The coordinate of this vertices A is 0, 0. Okay, now coordinate of B is 2, 0. Now coordinate of C is 0, 1.5. Okay, so first we find the x coordinate of center of mass, which is given as x equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 upon m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now substitute this value. So mass which is at point A is 0.2 kg. Okay, this 0.2 kg. Mass which is at vertex B is 0.3 kg. Okay, and mass which is at C vertices is 0.4 kg. This 0.4 kg. Okay, so m1 is 0.2 into 0 plus m2 0.3 into 2 plus m3 0.4 into 0 upon 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4. Now first term 0, second term 0.6 plus third term 0 upon 0.9. Okay, so we can write 0.6 upon 0.9, this point to point cancel, or we can write 2 by 3. Okay, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9. So x coordinate of center of mass is 2 by 3 centimeter. Now find the value of y coordinate. So as we know that y equal to m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 whole upon m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, now substitute the value. Value of m1 is 0.2 and y coordinate of a is 0 plus value of m2 is 0.3, its y coordinate again 0 plus value of m3 means 0.4, its y coordinate is 1.5. Okay, so now in denominator 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4. Okay, so first term 0, second term 0, third term is 15 4 ja 60 means 0.60 upon 0.9. So this can be written as 0.6 upon 0.9. Point to point cancel. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9 means y coordinate of center of mass is 2 by 3 centimeter. It means the center mass of this system, suppose at this point, okay, whose coordinate is 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3. Okay, now we have to find this distance. Okay, suppose this distance is r, it means this distance is again 2 by 3 and this is also 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay, so now applying the Pythagoras theorem, r equal to under root this x square plus y square. Okay, the value of x is 2 by 3 square plus value of y again 2 by 3 square means 4 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. Okay, so 8 upon 9, or we can write 2 upon 3 under root 2 means 2 root 2 upon root 3 centimeter. It is the distance of center mass from origin. Note the question number 4. Two particles of masses 100 gram and 300 gram, okay, have positions 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 13k cap. It means it is the position vector of first particle. Okay, and 6i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap is the position of 300 gram means second particle respectively at a given time. We have to find the position of center of mass. Okay, so first we note the given value. m1 equal 100 gram, m2 equal 300 gram, and position vector of first particle is 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 13k cap, and position vector of second particle is minus 6i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, we have to find position of center of mass. Okay, so as we know that r vector equal to m1 r1 vector plus m2 r2 vector upon m1 plus m2. Okay, now substitute the value 100, value of r1 is 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 13k cap. Okay, plus the value of m2 is 300 and value of r2 is 6i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, upon m1 plus m2 means 100 plus 300. So first we take 100 common. Okay, then we can write, solving this we get r vector equal to 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 13k cap. Okay, now open this bracket, plus minus 6 3 is 18 I cap plus 3 4 is 12 j cap, 3 2 is 6 means minus 6k cap. Okay, whole upon 4. Now solving this, 2i minus 18i means 16i cap. Okay, 5j plus 12j means 17j cap. Okay, 13k minus 6k means plus 7k cap upon 4 centimeter. It is the position of center mass of the system. Let us now see the question number 5. In the hydrogen chloride molecule, the separation between nuclei of two atoms is about 1.27 angstrom. Find the approximate location of center of mass of the molecule. Okay, given that chlorine atom is 35.5 times as massive as hydrogen atom, and nearly all the mass of atom is concentrated in all its nucleus. Okay, so first we make the HCl molecule. Suppose this is the H atom and this one is Cl atom. Okay, and the axis passes through hydrogen atom. Okay, let us suppose axis passes through hydrogen atom, it means it is a origin, and separation between hydrogen and chlorine atom is 1.27 angstrom. It means this distance is 1.27 angstrom. Okay, and the mass of chlorine atom is 35.5 times massive as hydrogen atom. It means hydrogen mass is 1 gram and chlorine atom mass is 35.5 gram. Okay, so let us now find the center of mass of this hydrogen chloride molecule. X equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, very simple formula. Now to put the value of m1 means h, value is 1 gram, and its distance from origin means 0 because this atom lies over its origin, plus mass of chlorine atom is 35.5, its distance from origin is 1.27 angstrom, right, upon total mass 1 plus 35.5. Okay, so first term is 0. Now second term, to multiply this number 1.27 upon 35.5. 5 7 is 35, 3 5 2 is 10, 3 13, 1 5 1 is 5 1 6. Similarly 5 3 6. Now 3 7 is 21, 1 2, 3 2 is 6, 2 8, and 3 1 is 3. Okay, so 5 8 10 15 and 4. Okay, 0.1 2 3, it means 1 2 3. So multiply of this is 45.085 upon 36.5. Okay, it means 45.085 upon 36.5. Okay, on dividing these, on dividing 1.235 angstrom. Okay, so it is the position of center of mass. It means its center of mass is here, suppose at point P, and its distance from origin will be 1.235 angstrom.